Reno Transcript explores how images shape our understanding of land, especially public land in the American West, and how visual systems quietly guide what we think nature is supposed to look like. Presented as a 28-page publication printed on newsprint at 11 by 17 inches, the book unfolds as a field document rather than a finished object, echoing the provisional and procedural systems it examines. At its center is Visual Resource Management, a system developed by the Bureau of Land Management in the late 1970s to assess and manage the visual appearance of landscapes. VRM uses photography, mapping, and design principles borrowed from the visual arts to categorize land by scenic value, helping federal agencies balance conservation, recreation, and industrial use while keeping landscapes looking natural. From 19th century landscape photography to contemporary GIS mapping, images have helped naturalize ideas of beauty, emptiness, and economic potential, often masking extraction infrastructure and colonial histories beneath a carefully maintained surface. The publication brings together videos, collages, modified field guides, and diagrams generated and altered by the collective, using the format of a newspaper-sized book to mirror bureaucratic manuals and technical reports. Together, these elements examine how visual experience becomes policy and how policy becomes image, while asking what these systems leave out, what remains unseen, unmeasured, or deliberately hidden. Rather than rejecting visual resource management outright, we study it closely, using its own tools to question dominant representations of land. If landscapes are shaped by the images we make of them, then those images, and the futures they support, can also be made differently.